In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Family Link from your Google account using a laptop. Whether you're managing your family's digital environment or simply trying to navigate changes to account settings, this will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to google.com. Once there, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. To ensure you're in the right place, look toward the top right of the page. You should see your profile picture or initial. If you aren't logged in, just click Sign In and enter your credentials to access your account. With that settled, let's move on. Now look for the Google Apps icon, which is represented by a small grid or dots pattern, typically located right next to your profile picture. Give it a click. This will open a menu offering a range of Google services. What you need to do next is select the Manage Your Google Account option. This will redirect you to a new page dedicated to all things related to your account settings. Once you're on the account management page, look to the left side of your screen. You should see a tab labeled Family. Click on this tab to enter the Family Management section. Here you'll find options related to family sharing, including settings and details about members who are part of your Family Link. Within the Family section, examine the list of family members connected to your Google account. Identify and click on the member you intend to remove. This will bring up specific options for managing their connection to your account. When you're ready, locate and click on the Remove Member option. This action will trigger a verification process. Google takes security seriously, so before proceeding, they're going to ask you to verify your identity. Be prepared to enter your account password when prompted. Type in your password and then hit Next to confirm. At this point, you'll see a final option to confirm the removal process. It's crucial to read any prompts or warnings Google displays to ensure you understand the implications of removing a member. Once you're sure, click Remove. This confirms that the selected member is no longer associated with your Google account's Family Link settings. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a family member from your Google account using your laptop. If you encounter any issues along the way or have further questions, Google's support resources can be a reliable source of additional assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this was helpful in managing your Google account more effectively.